Today we're going to talk about changing your Facebook password. You may have been hacked, or you might just think it's been long enough and you want to go ahead and change your password. We're going to show you how to do that today. See the cursor over here on the right side of the screen? You can go up to the little down arrow thingy right there beside the help button, the question mark. You can go down and it shows you your pages, some different things, and go all the way down here until you find settings, and you keep on going down. And when you get down here, you're going to get to settings. You're going to click that, click settings, and it's going to take you into your settings menu. Settings menu is set up. It's got general, security, and logon, and your Facebook information. You're going to click security and logon. Once you're in security and logon, it's going to give you this screen. And in this screen, it's got some things up on the top of it. Shows you where you're logged on around the country if you're on a different PC or phone. It also, on the third thing down here, shows you how to change your password. You go over here to the right-hand side of the screen to where it says Edit. You click Edit. It brings you to a new screen. You put in whatever your current password is, your new password, you put it in twice, and then you click Save Changes. If you've forgotten your password, click that link. That link will send you some questions to answer or some other ways to get your password back. Once you've got everything done, you hit Save Changes, and you're all done. Very simple. Let's show you one more time a little more quickly. You go up to the little down area and down to settings. You're going to click on security and logon. You're going to move down the page on security and logon to change your password. Type in your current password and then the password you want to change it to 2 times. Save will come up. You'll hit save and you're all done. It's all that easy. Make sure you save your password and change your password often. And if you've ever been hacked, first thing you need to do is go change your password and change it twice. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.